Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can flip or mirror a video horizontally as well as vertically in native Android using Media3 effect. So let's get started. So first let me install this application on my real device and then I show you guys the output. Now few things to keep in mind that firstly I am using XML layout. I am not using Jetpack Compose because things in Jetpack Compose related to video are still bit, according to me, they are still bit unstable, or they are not I mean they are still quite new. That's why I'm still using XML layout. But if you have any doubts related to Jetpack Compose, do let me know in the comments as well and I'll make a video on Jetpack Compose as well. So first let me show you guys the output. So there are two ways to show you guys the output. So first one, I'm flipping or mirroring the video both horizontally and vertically. So in this example, let me see what I have, what exactly I'm doing. I think I'm flipping it only horizontally. Let me just quickly check. Matrix trans. So here you can see I'm just flipping it horizontally, but I have created two more methods apart from this where you can flip the video vertically or apply both horizontal and vertical effect in one go. Okay, so here you can see I'm running my device. I'll just open my running device. So here you can see I have this pick video button. I'll just click on this pick video button. It will open the video picker for me. So first let me show again, if you want I can show you the original video as well, just so that you guys can believe me. So I'll just show this particular video. So hopefully you got it. Like, this is the original video. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll apply the horizontal flip effect to this, right? So I'll just go to my original app. I'll just select this particular video and here you can see it has already applied this horizontal mirror or flip effect to this. Now there are two ways, like I said. So same way you can apply the vertical effect as well. So here as you can see I have, so this is the class in which I have created create vertical effect and create flip for both effects. So if you want to apply horizontal as well as vertical, you can do that as well. So if you want to apply create, you can just replace it over here, create vertical effect, and if you want I can run this as well. Now there is one another way. So in this particular way which I showed you, we were applying the effect immediately to the picked video, right? But sometimes what happen is that you need to apply the effect permanently to a video, and you want to keep the original video as it is, but you want to create a duplicated video where you have applied the effect to the original video and save it to external storage. So I'm going to show you guys that as well. So before that I'll quickly show you the vertical effect. So I'll just click on pick video. I'll just select this video and hopefully you can see that it has applied the vertical effect. Okay, now I'll just pause this. Now let's see about how to apply how to apply this flip effect or mirror effect permanently to a video and save it to external storage as well, right? So for that what we need to do is we need to uncomment this one, comment out. I am going to show you the entire code, but I'm currently showing you guys the output because most people are first interested in seeing the output, then only they want to proceed ahead with the tutorial. That's why I'm showing you at the start. And I'll just uncomment this and I'll just comment this one out. Okay, then I'll run the application. Now given that we are applying this effect to the video permanently, it will take a time, it will not be immediate. So that is the disadvantage of this, but the advantage is it will create a separate video in case if you want to refer it later on or use it later on. And also given that it depends on how big your video is, I'm also displaying a progress in logs of our progress, how much the video has completed inside our logcat. But if you want, you can display a progress bar to the user as well. So I'll just click on pick video. As I'll just do this progress. Okay, I'm filtering by progress. I'll just select this video and here you can see this is how the progress is getting displayed. Now there are two values, I'll explain more about it later on. So here you can see this is the progress and finally it has applied the progress. So here you can see it has applied the flip or mirror effect. Okay, and the value, this particular progress value has not reached till 100. I'll explain more about that as well. But if I now click on pick video, here you can see there are three videos. The first video has been flipped. So just to make you just to prove it to you, here you can see inside the files app as well I'm able to see the flip video effect. So hopefully you got the point. Now let's talk about why this progress is not reaching till 100. So what are these two values? So firstly, this first value which you see is the progress state, and the second value which you see is the actual progress. So the progress goes from 0, 17, 18, 26 till 100, but it doesn't reach till 100. Why is that? So it depends on your video. So if it is an extremely short video, it doesn't really reach till 100. So yeah, so how would I know whether the video has finished processing or not? So there are two ways. There is an on finish callback as well, you can use that, or you can use this progress state. The progress state always becomes 0 once the video has finished processing. So it's up to you what you want to use. Okay, now let's see how to do this. So first you need to go to your build.gradle.kts, and here you need to add this dependency. So I'm not using this version catalog. If you want, you can use this version catalog as well. To convert this to version catalog, just right click and you just have to select this replace with library catalog version. Okay, I'm not going to go into that. So firstly you need to use this Media3 exoplayer, Media3 UI, Media3 common, Media3 transformer, and Media3 effect. Then you just have to click on the sync now button, which you will see at the top. It will download the dependencies for you. Then you need to go to activity underscore main, and here you have this particular layout. So here we have a button where I pass the ID, the width as well as height, and here is our text called pick video, and here we constrain it to the start, end as well as top of the screen. So here is our button. Okay, then here is our player view as well, for which I give it the ID. So width is 0, height is 200, the resize mode is fixed height, show buffering is equal to when playing, fast forward button is true. Yeah, you can just use, okay, sorry about this. So yeah, these are all the setup which I have used. So yeah, you can just copy paste if you want. So yeah, once this is done, what I have done is that before I go to the main activity, I have created another Kotlin file called matrix transformation factory. So these are all the imports for it. Now here I have created a method called create horizontal flip effect. So if you want to apply the flip it horizontally, so here you can see I'm changing the scale to -1 and +1. On the x-axis it is -1. For vertical we are changing this to -1, and for flipping both the effect, then we just add -1 as well as -1 over here. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Then let's go to our main activity over here. So again, these are all the imports, so feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports which are there. I'll simply scroll through this file. Okay, then here we have this array list of effect. Then here is our exoplayer. We are annotating this with @unstable API because at the time of me recording this is still bit unstable. That's why we have to use this. Then here is our player view. Here is the file name, playback position is 0, play when ready is true. Here is our transformer, here is our file, this is our handler. Okay, and this is the progress holder for tracking the progress. This is the video URL of the picked video. We'll come back to this later on. So okay, I don't know why this, okay, anyways, ignore. So here is our launch new video picker. So this method is called from our button click, right? So here you can see we are just picking videos. So once a video has been picked, we get the URI of the video. We just assign it to our video URL. And if you want to apply the effect permanently, then use this setup transformer. If you immediately want to apply it to a picked video without saving it to external storage, don't want to apply it permanently, then you can just comment this out and uncomment this one. So it's up to you what you want to use. Okay, so I'll just keep it as it is. So feel free to use whatever you feel. Then inside on create, we initialize our input player. We add this create vertical effect. So here instead of create vertical effect, you can use this create horizontal effect. These two methods, either use create horizontal flip effect or create flip both effect if you want to flip it horizontally and vertically. And on button click, we just call this launch new video picker. Okay, then inside initializing of our video player, okay, I'll just leave a space out of it. So here we initialize our video player, we play when ready is true. Here we initialize set our player as well. Now like I said, if you are applying this transformation permanently, then you will have to use these two lines of code. If not, if you want to immediately apply it to the selected video without permanently saving it, then you can use this particular way of doing things. So again, I'll just comment this out and uncomment this. So it's up to you what you want to choose. Then here we seek to playback position, play when ready is play when ready. Okay, I think I have already set it. I don't know why I have set it twice. And here we prepare our input player. This is for releasing our player. So we just set the playback position, play when ready. We release our player, input player equal to none, null. Then inside on stop we release our player. Inside on pause we do input player view dot on pause. Inside on destroy we release our player. Inside setup transformer we just do transform video. Again, this method will not be called in case if you are not applying that effect permanently to a video. So as well as this one, so here we initialize our transformer. Here we set the input media item, here we set the edited media item, here we create an external file, we start the transformation, and here we are tracking the progress, right? So like I said, told it to you, so this is the progress state and this is the actual progress which goes from 0 to 100, and the progress state will be either 0, 1 and 2. And I also have added a 500 milliseconds delay just for performance sake. Then here we create the external file as well. Then this is for saving the file to external storage. Again, I have copy pasted this code from the documentation, so I'll simply scroll through this file. Feel free to pause the video and just copy this code. So here is the on completed callback. So in case if you are not tracking by progress state, like I mentioned, again this callback will be get called if you are applying the the transformation permanently to a video and save it to external storage. Otherwise this will not get called. So here we initialize our input player, then we add it to our video gallery and just display a toast message saying that transformation was completed, and here is on error. So in case if there is an error, I'm just showing the error message inside our toast message. Okay, and related to permission, I don't think we require any permission as such. Yeah, we don't require any permission. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.